In a garden where the soil is poor and plants struggle to thrive, transforming the ground into a nutrient-rich bed becomes essential. The process starts with selecting the perfect location, a spot that receives between 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. Sunlight plays a crucial role, fueling the photosynthesis plants rely on to grow strong and healthy. In this first step, a carefully chosen area of the garden will set the foundation for what's to come. Without enough light, even the richest soil will fail to bring out the best in your plants. Once the location is set, the next phase begins. The top 2 to 3 inches of soil is removed. This top layer is often compacted, dry, and full of unwanted plants or grass that hinder growth. By stripping it away, we make space for what will be added next. Layers of organic matter that will transform the poor soil into a thriving garden bed. The ground is cleared, ready to receive new life, and this simple but crucial step is the gateway to a better growing environment. The next task involves gathering materials, everyday items that would otherwise go to waste. In the kitchen, fruit and vegetable peels are collected, along with leaves from the garden. These scraps, rich in nutrients, are chopped up to help them break down faster once added to the bed. Organic waste like this provides an essential source of nitrogen, which will fuel leafy growth in plants. The leaves contribute carbon, balancing the mix and setting the stage for rich, fertile soil. With care, these kitchen and garden scraps are layered across the bed, but this is only the beginning. Neem cake powder is sprinkled across the bed. Neem, an age-old solution from nature, not only nourishes the soil, but helps protect it from pests. A cup of bone meal is added, a natural slow-release fertilizer that introduces phosphorus into the soil. Phosphorus is critical for the development of roots and flowers, laying the groundwork for plants to not just grow, but to thrive. Together, bone meal and neem cake powder enrich the bed with powerful nutrients while offering protection. A double advantage for the plants that will soon grow there. Now the soil that was removed earlier returns, carefully spread over the organic materials. This soil acts as a cover, trapping the nutrients below and allowing the organic matter to decompose without disturbance. As it breaks down, the kitchen scraps, leaves, bone meal, and neem cake will release their stored nutrients into the soil, creating a fertile environment for future plants. Every step, from selecting the location to layering organic matter and adding nutrients, works together to improve the soil. What started as poor ground now holds the potential to grow strong, healthy plants. The sun will shine, the roots will take hold, and the garden bed will transform into a space where plants flourish. Through this process, even the most unpromising soil can become a rich, productive foundation for growth. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening advice, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.